Guards, I want Charlie Brown to clap public enemy number 1. Lucius, you already had Woody Woodpecker to clap public enemy number 1. Fine, number 2 then. That is Rocky the Flying Squirrel. 3, Bullwinkle the Moose. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Andy Panda, Mr. Peabody, Sherman, Winnie Woodpecker, Gru, Lucy Wilde, Margo, Mordecai, Rigby, and Spongebob. Well, what about 14, 15, 16, 17, or 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, or 30 or something? Well, it's, Patrick Star, Bomby Exploderson, Steven Univrerse, Finn the Human, Jake the Dog, Edith, Agnes, Kevin, Stuart, Bob, Jerry, Mel, other minions, Garnet, Benson, and Gumball. Well, skip all of them. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. Queen Elizabeth II, who refuses to sign a treaty for Patmos in 1968, and Barack Obama, who also refuses to sign a treaty with you in the last 4 years, and First Lady Michelle Obama, who kick you out of the White House forever, and the kite-eating tree who used to eat your kite since you were a kid, and Scoutmaster Lumpus, the guy who cut the front of you while you're waiting in line at Jurassic Park and Universal Studios Hollywood, and Anto Baruto, and, yes, and Danny D. Prime. Just put Charlie Brown on the public enemy list. Yes, sir. Oh, Mucho Lucius, the Misery Star is almost ready. Yeah, tell Captain D to let them know. Oui, monsieur.